Hello friends, this is Dr. Ashish Panchal, your biology need guru from Trisha Institute of Biology. The second part of the appendicular skeleton is the upper limbs and the lower limbs bone. In upper limbs bone, it possesses the humerus, and the humerus is also known as the arm bone. It is known as the upper arm bone. And the humerus is the head of the humerus. Look at here, the head of the humerus is fit into the glenoid cavity. This is the head of the humerus. Okay, if we remove this all ligament and everything, okay, this humerus is fitted with the head of the humerus is fit into the glenoid cavity. Look at here, this is the glenoid cavity, right? And this is the head of the humerus. Okay, so bone humerus is fit into the glenoid cavity of the pectoral girdle with the ball and socket type of the joints. Then after the radio and ulna bone. So radial bone, it is towards the thumb. Towards the thumb, it is the radial bone, and this is the ulna bone. Okay, this is the humerus, radio, and ulna bone. Now, in the upper limbs, the ulna is the longest bone of the upper limb. Then after the tarsus, so total 8 tarsus are there. Now look at here, the tarsus, name of the tarsus are, so these are the tarsus bone, and first we remove the all ligaments which bind the tarsus together. So now we remove this all ligament, and look at here, these are the tarsus, and in the tarsus are total 8 number of the tarsals are there. This is the scaphoid, this one is the trapezoids, this is the capitate, this one is the hamate, this is the pisiform, this one is the lunate, this one is the triquetral, and one more, it is total is the 8 number, right? Trapezium. Okay, so this 8 bone which is present in the tarsus, so these are the tarsus bone. Okay, now the metatarsus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the metatarsus. Okay, then 14 phalanges, and the phalanges are in the finger, there are 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in the thumb it is 2 phalanges, 1 and 2. So total number of the phalanges are 14. So in the upper limb, it possesses the humerus, radio, ulna. Okay, these are the bones of the upper limbs: humerus, radio, ulna. Okay, then it possesses the tarsus, then 5 metatarsus. These are the 5 metatarsus, and then phalanges. Okay, now the bones of the lower arm, bones of the lower limbs. So in lower limbs, the longest bone is the femur, and the femur is connected with the acetabulum cavity. Look at here, this is the head of the femur. This one is the head of the femur, and this head of the femur is fit into the acetabulum cavity. Then the 2 more bone, it is the tibia and fibula. This is the tibia, and the lower back side, it is the very thin bone that is called the fibula. So this is the femur, tibia and fibula, and this bone is known as the patella, and the patella actually it is known as the kneecap. So look at here, the knee joint actually it is made up of the 3 bones. Which one? So one is the femur, then this is the tibia and patella. These 3 bones are joined together and it form the knee joints. Okay, there is no role of the tibia bone, fibula bone in the knee joints. It is the side bone. Okay, now apart from this, there is a 7 tarsus are there. 7 tarsus are there, and look at here, these tarsus are okay, there are the 7 tarsus. Now where these 7 tarsus are present? So this is the 1 cuboid, this is 2nd cuneiform lateral, this one is the cuneiform right side, or it is intermediate, this one is the cuneiform medial, this is called the navicular, this one is the calcaneus, okay, and this is the talus. So this 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 bones are the tarsus bone. These are the tarsus bone, and this tarsus are joined with the metatarsus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 metatarsus. After that there are 14 phalanges. Which one? The 1, 2, 2 and 3. Then again 1, 2 and 3. Then 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2. So these are the phalanges of the foot. So here these bones are known as the lower limb bone. Now look at here in the lower limb. Okay, tarsus are known as the ankle bone भी उसको बोलते हैं. जो मेटाटार्सस है उसको फुट बोन भी बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड ऐसे ही बेटा अपर लिम्स पे बात करें तो अपर लिम्स में जो ह्यूमरस है, ह्यूमरस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? अपर आर्म. रेडियोल्ना दैट इज लोअर आर्म. फिर बेटा यहाँ पर जो टार्सस होते हैं उसको रिस्ट बोन भी बोलते हैं. और जो मेटाकार्पेल्स है, मेटाकार्पेल्स को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? तो दे आर नोन एज दी पाम बोन भी बेटा उसको बोलते हैं. ओके, सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे.